Let's flip through and review this Usborne Lift-the-Flap Periodic Table book. This book is fun, colorful, and interactive with 125 flaps to flip. It's great for all ages. Each page is a different color and the elements take on characters with dialogue, making learning fun. This Usborne Periodic Table book is 16 pages and can keep any kiddo busy for hours. I also love reading this book every year with my kids, and every time they learn something new and build on their existing knowledge. So if you're thinking about purchasing this book, it's a great investment at $14.99, and you can check out discounted websites like thriftedbooks.com, eBay, Amazon, or your local library. And it would take me forever to try to lift every flap, so I'm just selecting a few random flaps here and there, but really see the quality in each and every page. The pages are made from a thick cardstock, almost like cardboard, and my kids are rough, and I have 3 kids, and you can see how everything still lays flat, nothing is ripped, so it's a great quality item and book for you to have, especially with little kids. I have a 4-year-old all the way to a 5th going into 6th grade, and they all love doing this book together. They can sit for a long time enjoying reading. My eldest reads to my younger kids, and they'll just lift up the flaps and try to gain some kind of insight knowledge in chemistry. So this is a great way to introduce chemistry into your homeschool family. I think it's a great investment, well worth the price. And if you found this helpful, it would mean so much to me if you would like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. I always love to do book reviews as well as share my motherhood and homeschool travels with you all, and it just means so much to me if I can hear from you. I hope you found this helpful in making your next choices for the upcoming homeschool year. And I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.